In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create XML file in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your points, surfaces, or alignments to a LandXML file that you can share with consultants, contractors, or other software. First, make sure your drawing is open and everything you want to export is clean and up to date. You'll start by selecting the data you want to include in the file. This can be points, surfaces, or alignments. You can click them directly in the drawing or use the prospector to select them from the project tree for a more organized approach. Take a moment to confirm that the objects you're exporting are named clearly and are the correct ones, especially if you have multiple surfaces or alignments. If you're exporting points, verify that the descriptions and point groups are set the way you want, because those metadata carry through in the XML. Next, open the LandXML export tool. In Civil 3D, go to the Home tab, then Output, then choose Export and click Export LandXML. This opens the export dialog dedicated to LandXML. If your workspace looks different, you might be in a custom ribbon state, you can still find Export LandXML under the Output tools. The key is that you're using the Civil 3D exporter, not a generic AutoCAD export, so the Civil data structures are preserved. Now, set your export options, choose the LandXML file type, which will have the .xml extension, confirm the coordinate system if your project uses one, so everything lines up correctly when the file is imported elsewhere. Set the units to match your project standards, such as feet or meters. Review the available content. For surfaces, you can include triangles and break lines. For alignments, you can include associated profiles. For points, ensure the point groups you selected are correct. If you see a version option for LandXML, pick the one your receiving software supports, keeping compatibility in mind. Double-check the preview or selection list so only the intended items are included. Finally, save the file. Choose a clear destination folder, ideally within your project's exports or deliverables location, and give the file a descriptive name that identifies the project, the content, and the date. Click OK to complete the export. Civil 3D will generate the LandXML file and place it in your chosen folder. It's a good idea to quickly open the file in a text viewer to confirm it wrote successfully or re-import it into a blank drawing as a sanity check, especially before sharing it. That's it. Your LandXML is ready for collaboration and downstream use.